Say to you, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Cynthia Molina, 32 years old, married. I have one child. She's 2 years old now. Living on Nonungan, Kawayan City, Isabela. I have 5 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 4th member of the family. I study information technology for 2 years in college, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Saudi Arabia as on-call cleaner. I do cleaning, washing, ironing, and mopping, dusting. Also, I work here as a nanny here in the Philippines for 2 years. They are 4 members in the family, 1 couple and 2 children. They are 4 years old and 6. I do all the household chores like marketing, washing, ironing, and taking care of the kids, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the health of the children, sir. When the baby is sick, I take the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have a small tattoo in my left hand and my chest, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family, especially for my daughter, and to build our own house, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, parents, and in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 a.m. after my work is done, and waking up around 5 p.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I do. Like head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Okay, sing it.
All. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.